home remedies for pink eye. Pink eye, medically called conjunctivitis, results from a viral or bacterial infection that spreads from an allergy and the rubbing of the eyes. Pink eye causes red, puffy, itchy, watery eyes, and thick, yellow discharge, which looks a lot worse than it is. Although conjunctivitis doesn't cause any lasting eye damage, you might need some aid from your doctor in the form of antibacterial drugs. A healthy person usually just needs time and rest to heal a nasty eye infection. In the meantime, you can speed the healing process and lessen the red, painful, itch using these 16 effective home remedies for pink eye. 1. Eye drops. Saline eye drops will keep your eyes clean, moist, and soothe the itchy pain of pink eye. Apply eye drops as needed to lessen pain and press a warm cloth over the eyelid. 2. Cold compress. A cold compress will soothe that annoying itchiness if you use purified water to keep the area clean. Just be sure to re-sterilize your water and cloth each time you apply. 3. Chamomile. Chamomile is a natural herb often used for its soothing antibacterial properties. Simply brew a cup of chamomile tea, remove the tea bag and let it cool, then place it gently over your eye. It helps if you lie down. 4. Milk and honey. Honey is often used as a bacterial ingredient in eye wash. When combined with equal parts warm milk, honey becomes a soothe eye rinse that can be applied using a clean cotton swab. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda whitens your teeth, but it also soothes itch. Just dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda into warm, sterilized water and apply with a clean cotton swab. 6. Apple cider vinegar. It would sting like heck if you put apple cider vinegar drops into your eye. However, when you mix a few drops in warm, sterilized water and use a clean cotton ball to clean your eyelid, it works wonders to clean up a nasty infection. 7. Lemon juice. Lemon juice doesn't sound very appealing in the infected peeper either, but if you dilute it with cool, clean water and apply to your eyelid with a sterilized cotton swab, it sure fights the spread of infection. 8. Coconut oil. Coconut oil, the organic variety is recommended, is another natural antibacterial home remedy. Apply it with a clean cotton ball on the eyelid of the affected eye before sleep and upon waking to soothe infection and itch. 9. Salt water. Salt water in your tears can cleanse infection, so why not apply it by preparing a solution, using a teaspoon of salt dissolved in a cup of sterilized water to use as natural eye drops. 10. Don't wear contacts. While this remedy doesn't cure pink eye, it plays an important part in the healing process. Anyone who gets pink eye and wears contact lenses should stop wearing the lenses as soon as possible. You'll want to keep them at bay until the eye is completely healed. The Mayo Clinic says the amount of time you'll need to keep the contacts out depends on what is causing the conjunctivitis. Ask your doctor whether you should throw away your disposable contacts, as well as your cleaning solution and lens case, writes the Mayo Clinic. If your lenses aren't disposable, clean them thoroughly before reusing them. 11. Neem oil. Neem oil is a vegetable oil that is created from the seeds of fruits and seeds of the neem and can be used to relieve irritated skin. Not only does it have soothing and gentle properties that make it ideal for healing, but it also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial components that can relieve the symptoms of conjunctivitis, writes Dr. Rax. The source says to apply the neem oil around the eye and eyelid before going to bed. 12. Over-the-counter anti-inflammatories. As with many common ailments like pink eye, it can be treated with over-the-counter anti-inflammatories. There are medications that a person can go out and purchase on their own, and the most common are non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen. This medication will help with the inflammation and pain, says the Medical News Today. The source also lists allergy medication as a treatment to relieve symptoms of pink eye if an allergy is the cause. These medications include antihistamine tablets, topical eye drops containing antihistamines, and mast cell stabilizers, writes the source. 13. Aloe vera gel. There's a reason aloe vera is used to treat sunburns. It's because it has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Dr. X notes that it's the aloin and amidin which give it these healing effects, which also include reducing inflammation and speeding up the healing process. It might seem extremely odd to be using aloe vera on an eye infection because we're used to seeing it as a topical gel, but Dr. X cites a 2012 study which was published in the Pharmaceutical Biology that found aloe vera extracts can be used on human corneal cells safely. The best way to utilize it is to use aloe vera extract in eye drops to treat inflammation and other ailments of external parts of the eye. 14. Turmeric. Turmeric has been surfacing recently as a new and interesting ingredient that can be used to add flavor and color to an otherwise ordinary meal, but it's actually been around for centuries and also has some pretty incredible healing properties. Not only is it able to enhance healing and reduce inflammation, but it also has antibacterial properties and can relieve pink eye symptoms when used topically, writes Dr. X. To use turmeric as a remedy for pink eye, Dr. X suggests creating a DIY mixture for a compress. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder to 1 cup of boiled water. Then take a cotton pad or clean washcloth and soak it in the mixture before placing it on the infected eye. 15. Green tea. Green tea can be used for more than just a nice, warm soothing drink. Dr. X explains that green tea, particularly matcha green tea, contains bioflavonoids that relieve irritation and inflammation caused by pink eye while fighting bacterial and viral infections. To use green tea as a remedy for pink eye, the source recommends dipping a green tea bag into boiling water and then using it as a compress on the infected eye. Just be careful not to apply the tea bag until it is cool enough to touch. You can also use the green tea as a cleanser and soak a clean washcloth in it as another potential warm compress. 16. Tulsi. You might not have heard of this herb before, but it's very well known in certain parts of the world because in Hindu beliefs it's regarded as a sacred plant. Sometimes referred to as holy basil, Tulsi is known for its healing powers. According to Dr. X, it has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that protect the eyes from environmental damage and free radicals, writes the source. It also has the power to fight viral, bacterial and fungal infections in the eyes. When using to treat pink eye, Dr. X recommends soaking the Tulsi leaves in boiling water for 10 minutes and then using that water as an eye wash. You could also soak a pad or washcloth in the water and use that as a warm compress.